Assalamualaikum and good morning to you ladies and gentlemen. I am Muhammad Amirul Fikri bin Muhammad Syam with my three group members, namely Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Amran, Abdul Qayyum bin Abdul Wahab and Muhammad Nazmi bin Nazik. Okay, the four of us are third year students from the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Technology, Universiti Teknikal Malaysia, Melaka. In this video, we will present our presentation, which is 7-step safety procedure for hybrid vehicle. Okay, this presentation is intended to complete our marking in the subject BMMF 3204 hybrid servicing, taught by technologist Muhammad Sufyan bin Abdul Razak. Okay, let's start. Okay, today we will present about the safety procedure. 7 step. Introduction. Hybrid vehicle with seamless combine an internal combustion engine with an electric propulsion system have emerged as a key answer as the automobile industry continues to adopt cutting-edge technology. But because hybrid powertrain are different, especially because they include high voltage component, repairing them required careful attention to detail and safety. Okay, this manual provides a comprehensive 7-step safety protocol intended to protect technicians and others personnel workers on hybrid vehicle. Okay, now let's explore the important action that form the basic of a safety and effective hybrid service procedure. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Nazmi bin Nazir. So today I will talk about 7 safety that the mechanic or technician must take. It is important to do a service of a electric or hybrid vehicle. Okay, the first step is keep the key away. So the first thing is we turn off the car engine and keep the key at least 1 meter and above away from the vehicle. So this procedure to make sure that the vehicle cannot detect any sensor from the key. For example, people surround us that will push the button on the key that will detect by the vehicle. Okay. Next, second, remove the negative terminal of the battery. So using an insulated spanner, so we can remove the negative terminal of the voltage battery. So this purpose to make the current flow in the vehicle can be discharged and enable for a service work. If there is a still electrical current flow in the vehicle, then the work process that involving high voltage because the electric vehicle and hybrid vehicle has a high voltage, so it can make a very dangerous for technician and mechanic. Okay, next, check the rubber glove. Okay, the procedure safety to do a service for high voltage electric, like electric vehicle and hybrid vehicle, we must use an insulate tool. We must use the rubber glove. So we check the insulate glove before using it for the next step. So that we must make sure that there is no damage or leakage on the rubber glove. So the first we can check by we see the condition of the rubber glove. The condition of rubber glove must be clean. That condition must be good, so no any hole that can make the current flow direct with technician hand and the high voltage cable. Okay, next, we can check by we blow the glove or we raise of the glove to see if there is any leaking. So the leak can be detected by the left air in the glove, or we can hear by sound that air from the glove coming out. So if the glove not is still with air inside, so the glove is safety and no leakage. So we can use for do the service and can use for handle the high voltage cable. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name Muhammad Afidania bin Amran. Okay, for the next step is step 4. Unplug the service plug. So to unplug the service plug, you need to find and locate the service plug in the car. So to unplug the service plug, you need to pull the service plug to the left, pull up and remove the service plug. So the service plug need to put the service plug in a technician pocket in charge, or place the service plug together with the car keys, that to prevent other technician accidentally reconnecting it while you work on high voltage system. And to make sure there is no more voltage, you can test voltage using high voltage multimeter at high voltage wire, harness, connector or part. For the next step is step 5. Okay, in step 5, you need to reduce the risk of shock. So to make sure the risk, you need to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes after remove safety plug to fully discharge the high voltage capacitor inside the inverter with converter assembly. So while you waiting, you can check the voltage. So and make sure there is no people surrounding while you waiting uh, 10 to 15 minutes to discharge the high voltage. So in that step, step C, to make sure there is no more voltage, you need to check the voltage in inverter. So the first step to check the voltage in inverter, you need to remove the inverter cover. So inverter is at engine bay. So uh, to check the voltage, you need to measure the inverter terminal voltage using multimeter Cat 3, and the reading needs to ensure the reading should no more than 0.05 voltage uh, to to ensure the voltage is safe and discharged.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Qayyum bin Abdul Wahab. Okay, today I want to present about 7-step safety procedure. Okay, so for me, safety to do a job, especially hybrid system, is very much emphasized, because if there is no safety, it is very dangerous to make a hybrid car. Okay, so my friend has already explained 6 steps, and now I will explain the last step, which is uninstall the high voltage connector. Okay, after installing the high voltage connector, we must insulate the unconnected high voltage wire because it is dangerous. If it hits our body, it will involve a fatal accident if the voltage is high. So after the work is done, we will uninsulate the wire and reattach it. Then install the inverter cover, then plug in the service plug, then reattach the 12 volt negative terminal, then take the car key, then diagnose the car again using the scan tool. Okay, so for conclusion, the 7-step safety procedure outlined for hybrid vehicle servicing serve as a comprehensive framework to ensure the well-being of technician and the integrity of the servicing environment. The amalgamation of personal protective equipment, meticulous system installation, and adherence to industry best practice underscore the commitment to safety when dealing with the unique challenge presented by high voltage hybrid system. Ultimately, the conscientious application of this safety procedure not only foster a secure working environment but also exemplifies a commitment to excellence in hybrid vehicle servicing. We have already reached the end. Okay, so I want to remind that if we do any work involving hybrid cars or electric cars, we must be vigilant and follow all safety precautions. Okay, that's all from my group. Thank you very much.